guys, how's it going? Today we got another cool horn to unbox. So this is a Shiphorn, not a train horn. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. I just got this in and it's something pretty cool. So as soon as I get this popped open, I'll tell you about it. Now it may be disassembled, and if it is, I'll pull the parts out and then I'll go ahead and assemble it off camera so y'all don't have to watch me. Now this did come from the United Kingdom, so DHL handled it and made it here pretty quick for such a long distance. So we got quite a bit of cardboard packing in here. So yeah, it does look like it's disassembled. So here is the bell. So this, as you can tell, is a KM horn. It is a KM 250. We also have the housing. Get it pulled out of here. It's got a little weight to it. Bear with me, guys. So this is the housing. Let me get this off the table. There we go. All right. So what we've got here looks like some hardware. These are those bolts. This down here. All right. So what we got here is a KM 250. This is a Airchime. It's not Nathan Airchime, just Airchime. These were made in Canada. They have two different types. They have a bronze power chamber version, and they have aluminum. The aluminum are later, of course. I'm not sure what this one is. So about to find out though. So anyway, I guess let me get this put together and I'll be right back and we'll talk about it. All right, guys, so we got it unboxed. Now you're seeing two horns here. That's because I bought two of them. I unboxed the other one off camera. So this is the one I unboxed off of camera. This is the one you just watched me unbox. And of course here is its housing. I have this one out of the housing. I'm gonna leave this one in it. Both of them are aluminum power chambers. I was hoping one was bronze, but they're both aluminum. But that's all right. They both are gonna sound the same, aluminum versus bronze. Just the bronze is a little older. It's a little bit more desirable, I guess you might say. But anyway, both came with the original valves. Everything in the housings is good. Now, this one right here, this is, both of these are British Royal Navy. This one is off of the HMS Richmond. Yeah, this is the HMS Richmond's horn. And now it had two of these, and I'll put a picture up of it. And then this is the HMS Glasgow. So the Glasgow is a little bit of an older ship, whereas the Richmond is a little bit of a newer ship. So I'll go into a little bit more details on those ships when I do the videos of these horns. Both of them are 250s. So with the KM horns, I guess first off, these are Airchime, which are the older ones. Airchime sold out to Kahlenberg. So Kahlenberg now owns, I guess, the rights to these horns. They make all the KM horns now. So if you see a new horn that's a KM horn that has Kahlenberg on the side of it, that's a newer model. The Airchime are the older. This is a 250. You also had a 200. You had a 165. You have a 135, and then a 110, and then an 85. 85 being the largest, so the deepest. This is the most high pitched tone. 250, 250 hertz. The 85, 85 hertz. So anyway, this horn did have a plug in it. I took it out. I thought that was interesting. I didn't know they ran these with plugs. I guess just because it's a smaller horn. But anyway, so this is just the unbox. Y'all be looking for these dedicated videos of these. I will try to have some Shiphorn videos out soon. I've recently acquired quite a few other Shiphorns, so I'm gonna try to get some of those on the channel. They're just a little harder just because I have to go to the lake. I like to get a lake recording of those because they're Shiphorns, and they just are bulkier, harder to get run bys in. So that's why I don't have them on the channel. I have a pretty large Kahlenberg collection. It's not on the channel. So we'll try to get it on the channel here pretty soon. So anyway, I appreciate it, guys. We'll see you on the next one.